Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and signing in so your settings and files sync. This saves time later. Once Word loads, choose blank document or a template for the document type you need. Make sure Office shows as activated. If not, enter your product key or sign into the account that holds the license. You'll now have access to saved themes, fonts, and OneDrive. These let you keep work backed up and ready across devices. Next, configure the page layout so your document prints and reads correctly. Go to Layout to set margins, orientation, and paper size. Adjusting these early avoids rework. Once done, enable the ruler navigation pane and show /hide to control spacing and locate headings quickly. Customize the quick access toolbar with save, undo, and print to speed routine tasks. You'll work faster and reduce errors when formatting standards are set before heavy typing begins. To finish, save your work with Ctrl+S and choose OneDrive for automatic backups. If privacy is a concern, save to a local folder. When ready to share, export as PDF via File Export or Save As for consistent viewing across devices. If Word stops responding, close and reopen the app. If problems persist, run Office Repair from Settings and check for updates. That fixes most issues and keeps your templates and autosaves intact so you don't lose progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.